Welcome to my channel. Today I'm design FTF Monogram logo. Go to Pen Tools and draw a line shape. Off this fill color and on this stroke colors. Make the stroke size 40. And copy it. Copy this line shape 3 times. Take a rectangle shape for checking spacing. Always try to work zoom in, because it helps perfect design. Copy a line shape, and then rotate it vertically. Copy this line shape 3 times. Take a rectangle shape for checking spacing. Go to Diamond tool, for take a diamond shape. And alignment it properly. Watch it attentively. Then select all stroke shape, and expand the stroke. It's time to divide the shape. Select all shape, go to the Pathfinder, and press Add. Take a rectangle shape for background color. And we are apply logo color. Finally we are able to design a FTF Monogram logo. Thanks for watching this video. Connected with us. I'm available for freelancing projects. Check the description box for contact with me. Please tell your opinion. How's that?